All right, guys, this is the Bosch router kit. This is a fantastic kit. It comes in essentially 3 pieces. You've got your motor here, or your router, and then you have your 2 bases. Now, taking the motor out is or the router actually out, very easy. Essentially, you put it on there. You got some arrows to line up there. You got a button here on the back. Push that. Line it up, give it a twist, and it'll go down, and then you can lock it in, and you can use your adjustment knob here to adjust the height. Locking it in place is pretty easy. Now, on your motor here, you've got your on-off switch here, and then you've also got your variable speed here, which is nice. You've got a couple different size collets that you can change out. You've got a 1/2 inch collet and a 1/4 inch collet. Again, very easy to remove, and those come with it. Also comes with a couple of wrenches, and it also comes with a hex head wrench for adjustments. Now, again, very easy to use. You can put it in either one of the bases, and there's other options here too. You could use a router table, and that would work as well. So a bunch of different options for that here. We're just going to put that in, twist it, and then we've got we can adjust our height here, and then we've also got a micro adjustment here, so if we can change that a little bit here. On our plunge router, we got a lot of nice functionality here as well. Right here is you can set your depth, so if I only want to plunge a little bit, you've got your mechanism here. You hold that down. Plunge router will go down. You only go down 1/4 inch. So that's nice to have here. The other functionality that's cool that's great is that if I got this all the way up, and again, I can set my height there, whatever I want it to be. I can let this drop down, and then I can let that come up, and I can let my release come up here in the back, and it'll set my depth. So I don't actually have to, try to adjust it down or anything like that. It'll set the depth. It also comes with a nice carrying case, a lot of space in here. So if you need to take it on the way, nice hard plastic, so it will keep it protected. So a lot of nice functionality with this kit. This is a dependable router. Like I said, I've been using one of these Bosches for a long time. This is a new one, but just a nice tool. And again, you also have screws here, so you could actually attach this to a table if you wanted to. If you wanted to flip it over and attach it to a table, that would work too.